Hello everyone, Jyoti here. In today's session, I am going to give you the tips for creating an application in a quick way. So let me show you how we can create a canvas application using image. So I have created this image in my notebook and then I just click the photo from my camera. Okay, so here after that what we have need to do, we just need to log in Canvas app make.powerapps.com. Here we can see the option start with a page design. We just need to click here and then we can see the option an image or Figma file. We just need to click here again and here you can see the tips for an image. It is already recommended for us and we just need to click here on next button and we can give here the app name. Let me give the app name is survey form. Then we need to upload the file that we clicked from our camera. Then just need to click on next button. It will identify the component that we have created. So it will fetch the image and if it is not able to fetch, then we need to drag this cursor like this way. And what is it? Is it slider? So we just need to select this all slider. This all things is a slider. So we can move the cursor like this way and then we can select the slider option. So everything is done and then we can click here on the next button. If we want to save the record in our database, so we can connect with our database table. Then click on next button. It will take some time and then create a new table. So it will take some time to identify this whole thing. Create an app. So it is going to creating an app for us. It will create a simple application. So after that we can design the application according to our need or our preferences. It might be taking some time. It is processing here. Loading and it is taking some time. So the app is created here. We can design this app according to our need. So now it is going to look like this. We can play this app and now we can see this has been created by from our image. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you. And if you are going to like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.